Subscribe to Win Civil World, press the bell icon, and never miss an update.
Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Win Civil World. In this section we are going to discuss about how we can maintain the concrete quality and what are the main on-site tests to be conducted to maintain concrete quality. And first we will discuss about what is meant by concrete. Concrete is a composite material which is produced from a mixture of cement aggregates, that is coarse and fine, along with water, and sometimes add mixtures in required proportion. This mixture consolidates in course of time to form a dense mass called concrete. Why quality control of concrete is important? Concrete is designed for a particular strength, and the total structural stability depends on a good quality concrete. And that is why quality control is one of the most important aspect taken into consideration while doing the production of the concrete. Little variation in water cement ratio, concrete proportioning, ingredient proportioning, etc. will have a major impact on the desired strength of concrete. The quality control can be done in different stages. First is the production stage, that is on fresh concrete before placing, and then the hardened stage, that is on the hardened concrete specimen, and on structures, that is after concreting, that is test done on structures. What are the tests to be done on concrete production stage? First one is slump test, the second is compaction factor test, VB consistometer test, K slump test, and Kelly ball test, and flow table test. These tests are mainly to find out the slump and workability. And what are the tests on hardened concrete? That is a compressive test or cube test, then water permeability test, then the surface absorption test. These are conducted on concrete, hardened concrete. Then tests to be conducted to confirm concrete strength on structures. That is rebound hammer test, UPV ultrasonic pulse velocity test, and concrete core test. These are the tests which is conducted to confirm the structural strength. In this particular section, we are going to discuss about slump test. What is a slump test? Slump test is done as per IS 1199 1959 reaffirmed 2013. What is a slump test? Slump test is done to determine the workability of concrete. The slump test is done in two stages. That is on fresh concrete immediately after production, and another one is just before pouring at the pour point. How to do a slump test? The normal size of the aggregate shall be less than 38 mm. This is the slump mold. The slump mold consists of a metal cone that is 20 cm bottom diameter and 10 cm top diameter. Total height is around 30 cm. Procedure of doing a slump test. There is concrete shall be poured in 4 layers. This total height is 30 centimeter and the concrete shall be done in 4 layers, and this is a figure showing the 4 layers, and every layer shall be rammed 25 times with the rounded end of the rod. After that, the slump cone shall be gently lifted and removed. This is a sketch showing the height of the slump in mm. The slump shall be the height from the top of the concrete to the top of the cone. And these three sketches showing different pattern of slump and their mode of measurements. This is as per IS. The slump tolerance shall be plus or minus 25 mm. If a design mix recommends a slump of 100 mm, it can either below 125 mm or not go beyond 75 mm, because 25 mm plus or minus tolerance is there. 25 to 70 mm, then the degree of workability is low, and this is mainly used for mass concreting and lightly reinforced sections. And if the slump is between 50 to 100 mm, the degree of workability is medium, and it is normally used for heavily reinforced sections, slip forms, beams, slabs, columns, and pumpable concrete. And if the slump is 100 to 150 mm, the degree of workability is heavy, and it is used for heavily reinforced areas, self-compacting concrete, piling works, etc. And the slump is more than 150, it is the degree of workability is very high, and is normally used for trimming work, self-compacting concrete, and some other uses.